my name is Tess Blom. During my Master Building Technology at the TU Delft, I developed an interest in the energy transition of the built environment, which I further explored in my graduation thesis, Delft in Transition. Luckily, I was able to continue this research field by working as a researcher in the chair Climate Design and Sustainability within the Faculty of Architecture and the Built Environment. Here I work on various research projects related to sustainable energy in the built environment, by analyzing the current situations and the energy potentials, while defining possible energy solutions. A roadmap for the energy transition of a certain area can be defined. Within this process, I like to grow to various levels of scale, zooming from the regional and urban level to the smaller neighborhood and building scale, and thereby taking into account their local characteristics and potentials and the impact of the proposed interventions on all levels of scale. In recent work, I learned not only to look at the energy aspect of the transition to carbon neutrality, but to broaden my view, including other aspects like waste production, water, food and transportation, exceeding the contribution of cities and buildings, including another level of skill, the behavior of companies and our private life. In the coming years, I would like to expand my knowledge on technical systems, the spatial impact and the societal aspects of the energy transition for city, buildings and individuals. So if you want to find out more, please contact me. Thank you for listening.